Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are solving a common formatting issue in Google Docs, how to remove a header from the second page while keeping it on the first. Let's get straight to the solution. The fastest approach is perfect if you only want a header on your title page. Open your Google Doc. Go to the very first page and double-click inside the header area to open the settings. Check the box labeled Different First Page. Now, scroll down to your second page, double-click inside its header, and delete the text. Because you checked that box, your first page header stays exactly as it is, but the second page is completely clean. If your document is more complex and you need to remove a header starting on page 3 or 4, you will need to use a section break. Place your text cursor at the very bottom of the page, just before the page where you want the header removed. Go to the top menu, click Insert, hover over Break and select Section Break Next Page. Go to the new page and double-click the header. You will see a checkbox labeled Link to Previous. Uncheck that box. Finally, highlight and delete the header text. It will instantly disappear from that page and all the following pages without affecting the pages above it. That's it. Your document is now properly formatted. If this ClearTask guide saved you time, leave a like and subscribe for more direct, no-nonsense tutorials. See you in the next one. See you in the